What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Grid Square here, and I'm having a bit of a dilemma with, I have an HP Stream laptop. I bought this at Walmart, and I know it's a terrible idea to buy anything computing from Walmart, but basically the whole point of this thing is it's a $200 laptop that has almost no hardware, and I literally just use it for downloading stuff and for streaming crap. I mean, it has no fucking purpose. I just download some stuff with it, move stuff to thumb drives to move to my main gaming rig and stuff. So I didn't need anything with computing power. I just needed something to download things off the internet and then, put them on media like flash drives and whatnot. So I've had this, according to my receipt, bought this from Walmart, on the 23rd of September. It's the 10th of December, so I've almost had it, 2.5 months. It has worked perfectly well. I haven't traveled with it or done anything. It's just been in my house. I've done nothing but, like I said, just download things. And I'm having this issue with it. When it started yesterday, and I had to go to work, so I've been trying to troubleshoot it. But basically, if I hit the power button, that's it. I get 1 second of screen, and that's it. Now, I've Googled the living shit out of this, and I've come to the people who say, press and hold escape for 15 seconds, and we'll give that a go real quick, Then I've done it where I've unplugged the power adapter over there and try to hold the power button for 15 seconds, for 45 seconds, for 60 seconds, press and hold, what was it, the freaking, I can't reach it, but, power and escape, or even, see if I can do it. Power, and I'm just gonna hold the delete key. Nope. Anywho, I just keep getting that. No matter what I do to this little computer, that's it. And it's getting, so in case any of you asked, it's getting power. The charging station's not damaged. Everything's in perfectly good order. Still the same thing. I don't know. Now, the next thing somebody asks, well, what about lights on the side? So, I think that's the power light over there if it'll focus in on it. Well, that's it. I don't know. Unfortunately, it's been past 15 days to return that thing, but so I'm out $200 if I can't fix this. It's not the biggest deal, but I just feel like for $200 and all it does is access the internet, it should function. It shouldn't, break, because I literally have not dropped it. It has done nothing but sit on a desk. So if any of you guys are super tech savvy and have any kind of solution, also, it's it's a Stream 14. It's completely sealed. There's no, I'm sure, you could break this apart with enough tools, but there's no removable anything. There's no screws. You can't take the battery out and do that kind of reset like a normal laptop. If I could take it apart, I could probably try to diagnose a little bit of something, but it's pretty sealed. So if you guys have any idea, send me some, comments, whatever. I will read and try everything, because at this point, I'm just kind of at my wit's end here. Thank you very much.